The Intermot show in Cologne is a big motorcycle fair that happens once every 2 years. Here are our picks for the most powerful bikes from the show. Welcome to Zig Fast Forward, where we talk sense. All you need to know without the bullshit. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 has shown the world that it is possible to extract well north of 200 PS from a 998cc motor. The answer lies in supercharging. From the earlier 200 horses, the power has now been bumped up to a massive 231. And if that wasn't enough, it now manages a mind-boggling 243 PS with ram air. That makes the new H2 the most powerful road-legal production motorcycle in the world. To put that into perspective, the most powerful leader-class sport bike, the Ducati Panigale V4, makes a relatively paltry 214 PS. Heck, the H2's power output is now within spitting distance of a MotoGP bike. And what does all that power get you? Warp Factor 10, Mr. Sulu, engage. Just a few years back, the over 170 horsepower territory firmly belonged to super sport bikes. So it's crazy to think that a twin-cylinder tourer is cracking that figure these days. But the KTM Super Duke GT is as mad as they come, with its 1301cc V-twin getting a slight power bump to over 177 PS of power and 141 Nm of torque. That's more torque than pretty much all leader class sports bikes, even the aforementioned Panigale V4, and comes shockingly close to matching the torque output of Harley Davidson's massive 1745cc Milwaukee 8 107 motor. For 2019, this mental tourer gets a host of electronic updates and a redesigned front end. There's now electronically adjustable WB suspension on offer and also a lean angle sensor that works with the ABS and the traction control system. And on the features front, it gets a 6.5-inch TFT instrument console with smartphone connectivity, cornering lights, and a much larger windshield. Okay, the Aprilia Tuono V4 displayed at Intermot 2018 hasn't really received any increase in power. But there's no denying that with 175 horses on tap from its 1077cc V4 motor, the Tuono is no slouch. One of the most powerful nakeds out there. It's not without updates though, as the Tuono factory now gets an Öhlins semi-active suspension setup. The Smart EC 2.0 system constantly collects data from the suspension, brakes, throttle and the IMU to automatically adjust the suspension setting to suit both tarmac and the rider's riding style. And in manual mode, the automatic adjustment is switched off, allowing the suspension to work in a conventional manner. If you want the lowdown on more bikes from Intermot 2018 and want to know which of them will come to India soon, do check out our other ZigFF videos.